In this video, we are going to go over naming esters. So to name esters, you first assign the parent chain based on the number of carbons in the R group plus the carbonyl group. So the C double bonded to the OR group. The OR group is named like a substituent. The C double bonded to the oxygen and the also bonded to the R group is the parent chain, even if the OR group contains a longer chain. You change the E of the alkane name to O8. So in this example, we have our carbonyl carbon. So first look at your carbonyl carbon, and we have figure out which one's your R group and which one's your OR group. This is R, and this is OR. So our R group is going to be our parent chain. We include the carbon of the carbonyl because in reality the COR is our parent chain. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbons in our parent chain, which is heptane if it was an alkane. We take off the E and we add O8, so heptane O8. And then the substituent we name based on how many carbons are in this chain. We have 1, 2. A 2-carbon substituent is ethyl. We put the substituent name first, so it's ethyl heptanoate. So for practice, we're going to write the IUPAC name for the ester shown below. Pause the video, and when you're ready, come back and we'll do it together. So the first thing we're going to do is we find our carbonyl carbon. We look for our COR group and our OR group. This is our OR group. This is our RCO group. The RCO group is the parent. The OR group is our substituent. So our parent chain, remember we count our carbonyl carbon. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, which is butan. We take out the E, put O8, butanoate. We have our oxygen, and then we treat this as a substituent. The 1-carbon substituent is methyl. So this is a 1-carbon substituent, methyl. So the name is methyl butanoate. For this one, we look at our carbonyl carbon. We see that this side is our OR group, so this is our substituent. On this side, we have our RCOO group, our RCO group. So this is the parent. We're going to count our carbons. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is hept, and then O8, our ending for esters. Then we're going to name our substituent. We have a 1, 2-carbon substituent. Excuse me. And so that is ethyl. And so the name is ethyl hept and O8. So we're going to practice writing the skeletal structure from the name of the esters. So go ahead and pause the video when we're ready. You're going to come back. So for this, we're going to write the ethyl propanoate. I'm going to do my carbonyl carbon, and I'm going to do my esters. So this is the basic structure, and I'm going to do propanoate. So propanoate is 3, propan is 3. So this is 1, 2, 3. my H's. Then ethyl is 2 carbons. So this is a 3 carbons and then 2 carbons. So I could have done it like this. So this is the skeletal structure. We have 1, 2, 3, and then 1 and 2. For propyl ethanoate, we have my carbonyl carbon, which is 1, 2. Ethane is 2. Prop is 3. And then I have my oxygen. And my R group, my OR group is propyl. So then I have 1, 2, 3 carbons. 1, 2, 3 carbons. So this is my propyl group and my ethanoate group. So in summary, when naming esters, the R group is the parent chain and the OR group is named as the substituent.